Yo, what's good everyone? Today, we got them early. Just came out today, the Air Jordan 3 Rust Pink Fire shoe. We're breaking this one down, letting you guys know if you should sell or hold this shoe. Let's go. Again, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, like I said, we are talking about the newest Air Jordan 3 women's exclusive Rust Pink. These shoes go so crazy in hand. Lucky we got this pair in early. Shout out Nike, getting this pair in today so I can unbox it for you today. Like I said, we are gonna break down the shoe. If you guys haven't seen an unboxing video, do it all the time, but we're gonna talk about the shoe. We're gonna break down the release that just happened today. Then we're gonna talk about the shoe, break it out of the box, show the materials, go through a little B-roll, all that good stuff, breaking down the actual shoe. And I'll get into a resale guide later in the video. I'm gonna tell you guys if you guys should sell this shoe or hold this one. Prices have come out high out the gate and they're looking pretty nice right now, so I'll break that down later in the video. But just to start off, we are just gonna talk about the shoe today. First up, you guys already know that I'm hitting this on Nike sneakers. We got a couple early access pairs coming in fire, all ready to unbox those. Those are coming soon. We got those purple women's Air Jordan 1s. May or may not have the Nike Dunk High fragments coming too. But it's going crazy here, Tamster's Kicks, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. But this shoe right here just came out today, May 28th. It released in only women's sizing. Nike sneakers had pairs. Foot Sites, Foot Locker champs. They only had about 4,000 stock. Finish Line had some pairs. Shoe Palace, I think, had about 100 pairs. So stock was pretty limited everywhere. Super glad I got these in early so I can show them off on the channel. This one is actually in my size. Super happy that I hit these. Didn't have to really stress on release day, but release for me personally, I did go for some other pairs to kind of fill some other pre-orders I had coming in. So Nike sneakers was pretty good this morning. I know a lot of people said if their accounts were a women's account, you can choose like a shopping preference on your account. I know a lot of people with women's accounts specifically hit. And so this one also actually came from a women's account. Women's exclusive shoes, women's accounts, I don't know. There's something there, but this one here today retailed at $190. We did have just the women's sizing, like I said, and I'm happy we got this one in today. Let's break it down. Right here we can see, guys, these are nuts. Look at that other lace colorway too, the rust pink color. The Jordan logos on the back, like these go nuts. That outsole, such a fire shoe. I'm so happy I hit on these. Honestly, to get them in early was super clutch. Again, shout out Nike sneakers. Check out the hang tag right here. Fire. Details, you can see the box is that Jumpman logo on the top, the red and the black, and then around the box you can see the elephant print Air Jordan 3 classic box as well around the shoe box. And definitely love that rust pink color. I think in hand it hits even better. The rust pink color goes pretty nuts on the shoe. Other details on the upper, like I said, it is that nubuck. It is a little different, but it is a nice nubuck. It's pretty soft, as you can see. The leather's not super stiff or anything, so I think they did a nice job. I like the nubuck better than on like the Shadow 2.0 Jordan, so that's a nice hit. Another sick detail on the upper is this pink elephant print with the kind of gray sail accent in there too. I think that adds a nice detail, as well as on the upper you have the tongue right here with that vibrant pink to match the tongue tag, as well as on this back counterpart. And both of those go crazy. That's a little bit part of the midsole as well right there. But overall, the hang tag details, the eyelet details as well with the vibrant here and then the sail here. Fire. And like I said, the midsole just kind of adds a very nice touch onto the shoe. I was surprised at how well the shoe just kind of meshes together. I love the details on it. Love that extra addition of this vibrant color that matches the tag right here, as well as some details on the outsole too, and then also matches here the Jordan logo on the tongue tag. Super fire. I think so far that outsole really meshes together well with the shoe. And definitely that outsole has got to be one of the best parts of the shoe. The translucent outsole, like I said, in that grayish, milky, translucent color. I don't even know what color to describe it as. Just goes crazy. I think they did a super nice job on this shoe. And overall for me, one of my favorite details is that actual outsole, because it does mesh so well with the shoe. Brings together the hits of rust pink, the vibrant details of pink on there, the elephant print, the sail. I think that outsole just kind of brings it all together. As you can see, just meshes so well. again, they did so nice on this one. All right, taking a look at the prices on StockX, just trying to break down some of the resale guide for you guys, letting you know if you should sell or hold this Jordan 3. Was pretty exclusive, honestly, and so I think if you're going to sell or hold is really going to depend on what size you got. As you can see, most sizes, the smaller sizes at about 230, 240 range, and then you get above the 10.5 women's, and we got it above 250. So my advice with this one, Jordan's retros like this can be hit or miss. We had like the Georgetown 3s come out. Those were men's. We got a lot of sizes there, so those did tank a little bit. People did really like those ones though, so I know they did really good volume wise, and these ones I think are going to move pretty good in the small sizes, about 7 to 9 women's. But again, stock was significantly higher. I know I had a friend, Cook Activity, shout out, and he was he went to Kith and got in line for these. He was first in line, he said, and they only had, the biggest they had was a 10 women's. So either backdoor or stock was just not there for this one. And so my advice with this one, anything above a 10 women's, maybe we'll say 10.5 women's to 12 women's, those sizes, I mean, if you get a nice offer, it's always good to flip it, but they could be a decent hold. I think these could do really nice into the summertime, and as well as those smaller sizes, I think that they could do really well. But again, I think there's gonna be a lot of buyers for this shoe, and I think they could definitely do well over time. So I don't think it will hurt to hold this one. But with some big releases coming up, especially June is loaded. We got Unions coming in June, Dunk Lows. We got a re-release of the Ama Manera 3s. It's just going crazy in June and July, and I know August is set too for a packed month. So my advice with this one, I think it's just gonna be another Jordan. You're gonna wanna flip really. I got the 12 women's, it is a personal size, but if I do end up selling in the future, this is one I'm okay to hold, because as you can see, that 12 women's is already about 20 bucks over all the other sizes. So 12 women's, coveted size, that's a good one to hold, as well as 11.5 women's. But other than that, I'd probably say secure your profits, quick flip, and then just move on, get ready for some more releases. But for these women's exclusive Air Jordan 3s, that's gonna do it today, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. If you guys like this content, make sure to leave a big like on the video. You guys know what to do. Again, another fire shoe coming up soon on the channel. We're gonna have the unboxing of the Court Purple women's Jordan 1s coming out soon. Those actually just shipped. They should be here pretty soon. We got that coming. Of course, we got some how to cop guides for the Ama Manera 3s coming out. I know a lot of people want those. We got Dunk Low video I just posted. Go check that one out. But that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for the support. We'll see you next time.